Are you able to hear me, sir?
Yes, go ahead.
Sir, if one needs to enter Wonderla, so what is because it's at all-time high. So what do you suggest, if one needs to enter Wonderla?
So I don't believe in this philosophy of all-time high hai to nahi lena chahiye. Good businesses may continue to hit all-time high for a long period of time. So I personally believe we should not have that kind of a framework in mind at all-time high. So I'll give you many examples. Look at Bajaj Finance, look at Eicher Motors, look at PI Industries, look at so many pipe manufacturing companies in the last 10 years. They kept on hitting new highs every year. So if you just wait for correction, that is not the right way. I would say you should do the valuation in terms of what is your time horizon. If you are looking for say 3 to 5 years of time horizon, you have to look at where do you see the revenues, where do you see the profits, where do you see the cash flows, and what is the valuation today? And based on that, do you see there is any margin of safety or not? And your margin of safety and my margin of safety may be different. So for example, I said that I am putting a 15 to 20 ka PE ka band, but I have spoken to a few investors, friend of mine, they say that they will probably put 10 to 15 ka multiple band because they see that they see the inherent risk is which is there in the business model, which is asymmetric risk, where something like pandemic happens or kuch bhi koi us tarah ka panga hoga, the kind of lost revenue cannot be made up in the subsequent years. Right? So it is up to you what kind of multiple you want to pay, and there is no right or wrong. What I am saying is right, that agar main bol raha hu to 15 ka hi hona chahiye, aisa kuch nahi hai. Right? So it depends from person to person. That is how we look at businesses. But we have a framework where, since our portfolio, stock SIP portfolio, is generating about 20 to 21% XIRR, incremental addition to the portfolio should only be then when we feel very strongly that potential XIRR from today would be upward of 25%.